In this short course, we are going to show how to create a Word document, save it as, and in a new folder. Locate the search box next Windows Start button. In search box, type in Word. Locate the Microsoft Word icon on your computer or the Applications folder when using Mac. Once you have found it, double-click on the Word icon to open Microsoft Word. 1. Choose a template. Optional. When Word opens, you may be presented with a variety of templates to choose from, such as resumes, letters, or reports. You can select one of these templates or proceed with a blank document by clicking Blank Document. 2. Start typing. Once you have a blank document or a template selected, you can start typing your content. Click on the blank page and begin typing your text. 3. In this case, I will paste data to save time. Formatting. 4. Formatting text. You can format your text using the toolbar at the top of the window. This includes options like font style, size, bold, italic, underline, alignment, and more. Highlight the text you want to format and use the toolbar options to make changes. 5. Now let's format text. 6. Locate ribbon bar, top left of the window. In the font dialog box, you'll see various options for font formatting. Font, select Times New Roman from the drop-down menu or choose your own font type. You can scroll through the list or type the name Times New Roman directly into the box. Font style, choose the font style you desire, such as regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. If you want regular Times New Roman, leave this as it is. Set font size. In the font dialog box, locate the size drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu to see available font sizes. Scroll down or manually type your font size. In my example, I will use 16 into the box to select the desired font size. Next is to apply bold formatting. Applying bold formatting, using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the font group, you'll see various options for font formatting. Click on the B icon, which stands for bold, to apply bold formatting to the selected text. Now click the B icon to remove the bold formatting, if you want to remove it. Next is to apply italic formatting. Applying italic formatting, using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the font group, you'll see various options for font formatting. Click on the I icon, which stands for italic, to apply italic formatting to the selected text. If the text is already italicized, clicking the I icon will remove the italic formatting. Next is to apply underline formatting. Applying underline formatting, using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the font group, you'll see various options for font formatting. Click on the U icon, which stands for underline, to apply underline formatting to the selected text. If the text is already underlined, clicking the U icon will remove the underline formatting. Next, applying left alignment. Applying left alignment. Using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the paragraph group, you'll see alignment options such as left, center, right, and justify. Click on the Align Left icon, usually represented by lines of text aligning to the left, to apply left alignment to the selected text. Next, applying center alignment. Using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the paragraph group, you'll see alignment options such as left, center, right, and justify. Click on the center icon, usually represented by lines of text cantered, to apply center alignment to the selected text. Next, applying right alignment. Using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the paragraph group, you'll see alignment options such as left, center, right, and justify. Click on the Align Right icon, usually represented by lines of text aligning to the right, to apply right alignment to the selected text. Next, applying Justify alignment. Using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the paragraph group, you'll see alignment options such as left, center, right, and justify. Click on the Justify icon, usually represented by lines of text aligning to both the left and right margins, to apply Justify alignment to the selected text. Next, applying bullet points. Select the text, click and drag your mouse cursor over the text you want to highlight. Alternatively, you can place the cursor at the beginning of the text, hold down the Shift key, and then use the arrow keys to select the text. Using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the paragraph group, you'll find the bullet icon. Click on it to apply bullet points to the selected text or the text where the cursor is placed. Next, applying highlighting. 1. Select the text, click and drag your mouse cursor over the text you want to highlight. Alternatively, you can place the cursor at the beginning of the text, hold down the Shift key, and then use the arrow keys to select the text. Using ribbon bar, go to the Home tab on the ribbon bar. In the font group, you'll see the highlighting tool, which looks like a highlighter pen. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it, and choose the color you want to apply. Click on the color to apply the highlighting to the selected text. Next, inserting image, using ribbon bar, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon bar. In the Illustrations group, you'll find the Pictures option. Click on it. Browse to the location of the image file on your computer and select the image you want to insert. Click Insert. Next, adjusting image size and position. After inserting the image, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corner handles. You can also move the image by clicking and dragging it to the desired location within the document. Up next is to insert table. In your document, select where you want to insert your image. Using ribbon bar, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon bar. In the Tables group, click on the Table option. A grid will appear. Hover your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you want for your table. Click to confirm the selection, and the table will be inserted into your document. Save your document. 1. In the top left corner of the Microsoft Word window, you'll see the File menu. Click on it to open the File menu. 2. Click on Save As. This will open the Save As dialog box. Choose Location, navigate to the folder where you want to save your document. You can select a different folder by clicking on Folders in the left pane of the Save As dialog box or create a new folder. In this case, we are going to create a new one. Next, look for New Folder, top left of dialog box, and click to create a new one. This will create a new folder in the current location, and the folder's name will be highlighted, allowing you to immediately type a new name for it. The other option to rename the folder is by right-clicking it. Now, right-click on the folder and select Rename from the context menu. Or, simply press the F2 key on your keyboard. This will also make the folder's name editable. Type the new name for the folder. You can use any name you like, but make sure it's descriptive and easy to remember. Once you've entered the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the changes. The folder will now be renamed with the new name you provided. Next, double-click on your new folder to open it. Once open, look for File Name and name file with a suitable name. Ignore file format as default to doc or docs. Then select Save, and your file will be saved in your new location with a new file name. To locate the folder. 1. Using File Explorer, navigate to the location where the folder you want to open is located. You can browse through drives and folders by clicking on them in the left pane of File Explorer. 2. Once you've located the folder you want to open, you can do any of the following. Double-click on the folder. This is the most common method. Simply double-click on the folder, and it will open, displaying its contents in the right pane of File Explorer. Right-click on the folder and select Open. Right-click on the folder you want to open, and from the context menu that appears, select Open. In conclusion, let's save your file as PDF. To do that, locate your saved Word document. Once again, in the top left corner of the Microsoft Word window, you'll see the File menu. Click on it to open the File menu. Click on Save As. This will open the Save As dialog box. Below the file name field, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Save As Type. Click on the drop-down menu and choose PDF, star.pdf, as the file format. Once you've chosen the location, name, and file format for your PDF, click the Save button. Your document will be saved as a PDF with the specified name and in the selected location. Congratulations, you have successfully created and formatted your document.